This is a really fun section. We are going to design our bracelet. There are quite a few different patterns that we can do. So we can do, this is what we call candy stripes. So larger chunks of equal centimetre chunks of the different colours. Then we also have here the crisscross, which looks really cute. It's a really nice way of embellishing and fancying up your bracelet. And then also we have here our stripes. So it's just one thread directly laid next to the next colour to make a very tight and neat stripe. So we have stripes, crisscross and candy stripes. Now also, as you can see here, I've done some different patterning, placing the chunks of colours in different sections, so you can really mix and match it up. This one's got crisscross, different coloured chunks and a nicer chunk at the top. So if there's a particular colour in your chosen colourway that you like the most, you can really embellish it in. And if there's a colour that you just want to highlight and use, like I've done here on this one and here, so I've just used this magenta colour to highlight in the different sections. It can look really cute. It's a nice way of doing it. So what you want to do first is draw out really roughly your bracelet, like so. And this is just the fun bit. You get to sketch out how you're going to want your bracelet to look. Now I like to add the crisscross section in the middle. So I'm just going to draw that in. This is a real rough drawing. Don't judge me on my drawing. I'm a much better bracelet maker. Then I like to add a little section each side to really frame this crisscross section. A bit like what I've done here. I really like how this looks. Then I'm going to do 2 sections of stripes. Now these drawings you're going to use and just have them by your side, just as a bit of a guide as you're going through, so that you don't get lost as you're going along. But obviously you can always undo it and start again. But this is roughly how I'd like my bracelet to look. There'll be my knot and my tassel. Now I like to add the charms in the middle, like so. Now we'll be covering this section off later on, so you can decide now whether you want to do charms in the middle or charms at the end. But I'm going to put on this one my charm in the middle. Such a funny looking tree, but honestly this will really help you stay on track and in line with your design as you're going along. Now, if you're making your bracelet for somebody else, have a think at what sort of styles do they like. Do they like more plainer candy stripes, or do they like something a little bit more fancy and busy like this one? And just have a think and design your friendship bracelet with either yourself or your friend that you're sending it to, with them in mind. And you can do a few of these and really play and see what you would like.